What up, guys? Papi si natagpo ang estudyante. Ngayon, alam na ang ehersisyo numero 1 sa Basic Electronics Engineering. Alright, the blinking LED. First, we're gonna need the materials needed. Of course, one breadboard. Okay. And then the Arduino Uno R3. Of course, the cable that uses A used to B. And also the connecting wires. Okay. And of course the LED. Red. Alright. Garang Cyrus. And last but not the least, we're gonna need the 330 ohms resistor, of course. And then let's proceed. As you can see, just follow the overlaid pictures in my video, but me, I'm using the LED first, then the resistor, and then followed by the connecting wires and to their designated pin placing, and connecting to the computer. Okay, and let's open up the Arduino Uno software. As you can see, I have already the code, guys, from the PDF that our instructor sent, and just obligated to copy it or open it. But first, there's something that I had to change it because I've tampered the code, just to rewrite it to the delay. As you can see, I'm going to make the delay 100. Alright, and then okay, verifying. I'm just gonna verify it before I'm gonna upload it to the Arduino. Okay, let's see if it fits. And bam! Napakagaling mo! And then uploading. Alright, let's wait. As you can see, I'm using Arduino Uno, and port is COM11. And uploading, done compiling. See, done uploading, and let's see if it's working. Okay, as you can see, the blinking red is faster because the delay is 100. And now let's start experimenting, or at least we're gonna we're gonna make the delay 1000. Let's see if there's any changes. Alright, I'm waiting. Okay, done uploading. Okay, oh bam. See, as you can see, the blinking red is so delayed, just like me. I'm delayed. Thank you.